have ever wondered how the traffic lights have been operated? Okay, great. This question might seem very easy, but the answer is actually quite interesting. We are from the Nusrat ICT course, and our passion for tech and innovation has led us to develop a traffic light robot that can be used to control different stops going on in the traffic, ranging from cars to people. So before moving on to the technical aspect of how this robot was created, we will preview a live demo of how this actually works. But first, let's name the colors found in the traffic light. We have red, and then we have yellow, then we have green. Okay, so here's the traffic light robot. Okay, so moving on to the technical aspect of how this was created, it involves two main domains, the engineering domain and then the programming domain. Albert Einstein said, I was never especially clever, nor was I especially gifted. I was just very, very curious. Now, if one Einstein could have made a massive impact on the globe for just being curious, imagine a world where we have thousands of Einsteins. For igniting these kinds of experiences and passion, we founded the Nusrat Coders and Robotics Hub, which is a subdomain under Nusrat ICT Club. This Nusrat Coders and Robotics Hub is responsible for creating and developing this kind of projects. We believe technology can be a driving force for propelling programming or the actual robot. And okay, great. The programming was a long journey for us. We started way back since we came to Nusrat. The robotics was just something that is new to us. It's just about curiosity, passion, and determination. So, one more question. Okay, great.